Hey guys, welcome back to my video. And today is reviewing stuffed animals part 7. Okay, let's get right in. First is Bitter Giggle. Oh. I will be in your nightmares. Okay, that's enough out of him, but next we got Flumbo. Oh, skiddy dot dot, nick nick. Right? Skibby dot dot, nick nick. Okay. Then next we got Bonnie. Skibby dot dot, nick nick. Then next we got Balloon Boy. Da 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 da. No Denali. Oh, then we got Catnap. Na 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 na. Gotta make sure my dog's okay. Then we got, I forgot his name. Comment down below if you know his name. And this is the moon. The moon, the moon, the moon. Up to the stars, the stars, the stars. It's the moon, the moon, the moon. So we got Chica. Oh my God. Stop. 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 Okay, that's enough. After Chica, we got yellow Zumbo Dots. That goes in the dark. Garden of Bang Bang. I see you. Yeah! Okay, then next we got Nobody. His name is Nobody. Because, get it? He's nobody. That's just a nobody joke. Then we got Purple. Oh. I'm a crazy YouTuber. Okay. Then next we got Kissy Missy. Oh, Mama. I can't even talk. Guys. Oh, are you okay? Okay. Then we got Fiedler, I think. Fiedler? It's Alvin the Chipmunk. Okay, then next we got John Cena. His name is John Cena! Then next we got Cyan. Okay, then next we got Chica. Stop! Please! Stop. Okay, then next we got 2 more. Foxy. Then we got Freddy. And if that was a good video, comment down below. Yeah!